Hello guys, Noors here. So today we have an early look on the One UI 5.0 based on Android 13. There's some cool changes and features, so let's dive in. First thing you'll notice is how the notification design has been slightly changed between One UI 4 and One UI 5. There are new icons for notifications with an updated design style which looks so much better than that on the One UI 4. The notification shade and quick settings also have a little change in opacity. Now it's a bit darker than One UI 4. Neither of these changes are major, but they do bring an overall different feel as a whole. Next, we have new multitasking gestures. There are now two options for multitasking and accessing the feature. You'll now be able to swipe up from the bottom of the screen with two fingers to access split screen view, or from the top right corner to make a pop-up window. These two features already exist in the Good Luck app made by Samsung. As you can see here, I'm able to do that just by installing the app and able to go to split screen view by long swipe from the side. But now on the One UI 5, there are options in the actual settings. The next features are OCR in gallery and insert text from image in keyboard. Samsung has now added OCR, aka optical character recognition, that lets you copy text from images to the gallery app and keyboard. When the device detects text in a photograph, it will now have a button at the bottom of the screen letting you extract the text from the image. This used to be a part of Bixby Vision, but was turned into its own feature in One UI 5, which is very good and useful especially for students. Keyboard OCR works the same way. In any text field, you can select extract text and hold the camera up to anything to grab text from it and insert it. On the next one we have Security and Privacy Hub. The Security and Privacy Hub is a Samsung proprietary version of what Google made for Pixel on Android 13. It places all your account, password, security, and privacy features into one screen, thus allowing for easy access to everything. In the following feature, as you can see here on the screenshot, we are able to see which apps are active from the quick panel, but it looks like it hasn't been finished yet because it's covering the quick toggles, but no worries, I'm sure they will fix it and replace it by the time it released. Next feature is Share with Collaborators. This feature is in the Samsung Notes app. We're getting a whole new option named Share with Collaborators, and as written here, you can write, edit and share notes with up to 100 people at the same time, and everyone can see changes as soon as they're made. In the next change, Samsung has added the ultra-wideband feature to the Connections menu. This feature can identify the precise location of nearby devices. Ultra-wideband works in short-range wireless communication protocol that operates through radio waves. We'll have to dig more onto this feature in future when the beta version is released. The next one is not really a feature, it's more like a change. Samsung chose to use the default Android permission dialogues. This is very bad because it doesn't fit in the One UI design overall, and I like it on the One UI 4 better. But this could have been to help speed up the update process, but as I said earlier, it could be so early that Samsung hasn't gotten to changing it in One UI 5 yet. And finally, in the About Phone section in settings, now the image of the phone shows above of the phone's name. These are all the features for now. I'm sure Samsung will add more until the beta release day, which according to the rumors, it will be in the coming week. So stay tuned and subscribe and turn post notifications so you can get every new news or features about Samsung devices and apps. And don't forget to share the video with family and friends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.